Oh, yeah, yeah. You feel the song? You feel it? Yes, I just want me to play this music finish for you. You understand? You know yourself fasting. I know you. I know you. I know you. I see you finish. So come on, power, they pass power. Power, they pass power. My papa and my mama were born me for Ibekus. They not fit take my life. Now you will be stranger. Go fit take my life. That is number one. What did I tell you? You they send me message. I come you every day. I'm not comfortable with it. Me and you know they talk. Why you they send me message? That is my question. I come out for live video. I don't delete. Still yet. You see they send. To make peace reign, to stop, I have to come out for live video. I don't saga you. I only say, I don't need it. No send out to me. Imaria Bay. Now, you come out, you are DJ Goat. I don't care. You know what they call? I don't care. I don't care. DJ Goat say 1 5 for you. Bro, it begin the brew waiting, not the book. Bo, is the brew waiting, not the dictionary. Bo, I have to bring man. Then, what will be all these facts? My dear, it's better you come to me more facts and one-on-one than say you dey use spiritual way because it not go work. You understand? It better you come. You see the way DJ Goat take on. A woman take on. Just take on like that. It's better in doing the native daughter we do for now. If they practice native daughter. If they practice, something happen. If you say I go snap on, if you not see here, mark day. At sleep. It's too small. Thank God, say you know me. You know me. You know me too well. Not be saying you don't know me. You know me. And your sister will call me. You know make sure you know. I see and finish. You know make sure you name. Bet. Now your sister now call me for Nigeria. The same thing. The same attack. Your sister call me, may confirm whether it don't deliver, whether the thing work or it not work. Why are they call your sister this morning, not pick? I'm sorry, I record your sister. You know, make sure you know, but I know say, now your sister for Nigeria, now call me. Because the work will not work for nights. Una say it don't manifest. Your sister called me to confirm. You want to confirm for me whether everything do okay. But fortunately, everything was okay. When I throw the arrow finish, the time where I take get up and I want to go do prayer. Your sister called. I see the call. I not receive her. I silent her. Go do my prayer first. After I do my prayer, I call your sister. Your sister won't reply. See what it reply. Person will call me. Want tell me something. Wanna see what he talk? I record them. Una too small, wakeregbe.
Hello.
What's that?
What happened? Egbewo.
Yes, they called. Don't you? Okay, I'm worrying about when like the group call Baba.
This voice, in one resemble the woman maybe I the gaga matter so, but my sister for Nigeria, Naiko. If you not look, I see people wanna look the voice, but not be voice. In own voice sharp, pass this one. Now the person Facebook be this one. It's sharp, pass this one. But this one, my sister voice for Nigeria, Naiko. So, my people, you see this life. I'm out. You shock? You know, make sure I even ask her, Anna, he don't want to go. You called me, and I call you back. You say you did group call. You go call me back. Now, I cause okay, I pause. I tell no say not there. The thing was clear. Because 3 days ago, I dreamed, say somebody give me a glass. Pure white a glass. White. He gave me, I put the hard glass. I said, this hard glass clear. For he said that dream. I said it clear. So I see the white. I carried that hard glass, put for eye. Clearly. And I remove them back against that dream. Yesterday, the attack come. When the attack come, she tried to play smart. Immediately, I won't be that kind of person where I see something they happen. I will say, may I feel weak, may I relax more. I stand up. When I stand up, come kitchen, I can do my prayer. Call ring for inside that house. I go. The thing was familiar. Now your sister for Nigeria. How I tell no say na your sister for Nigeria call. Now make her tell you and say, how I don't feel meeting. You will be my ex-friend. The picture where they your sister. WhatsApp. The picture. The same picture where you they use for abroad before for your profile. And that person picture where they now your late brother where you go bury last year. I've been last 2 years. Very clear. See the dream. Very clear. The dream is very, very clear to me now. As I heard the talk, I have to remember the dream. But I don't know what happened, but I collect the glass. I ever tell my husband this dream. Now it's clear to me now. Very, very clear. That picture, you were using it. Now your WhatsApp, this thing. Before we block each other. You know if they use the WhatsApp again, the picture again. That was 2 years ago. Waiting be 2 years ago. I can't feel remember out of thousands of people where they call me. Very, very clear. Now, as the person, I can't do my prayer, I call the person. Now the respond, now be this one. He not make sure in name, but I was so smart to screenshot that picture. I was so smart to screenshot that picture. Then I called and ask myself. I remember this picture. The picture called the flash. This picture, I don't see this picture before. I don't see this picture before. I was like, I don't see this picture before. Like, as I can't think, I can't be you. Will be my enemy. You use it. And that is your brother. Where he die. Where you go home, go bury. Be careful. Be warned. Don't push. I just can't tell you, say, not push past like this. You understand? If you know, say, your heart clean, do what you choose to do best. But if you say your heart not clean, see, you know, you yourself, no, might not explain myself to you. Now you're supposed to explain me to people. You understand? You know me too well, and you see the talker. I will look friendship of past. Not try again. After I don't do the thing, at the same time, now your sister take call. What he call me for? What your sister they call me for? Okay, see what he can happen. He not call me back again. This morning I call the person. He dey busy my call. The same person voice not when I hear so. I personally can't they call her. He dey busy my call. What did that one tell one of my people? Person where he call me and I call him back and I record the conversation with me and he talk. It's now here say he there for group call. He will call me back. He never called that yesterday. I did wait for him. This morning, I still patiently, I forgot come out for live video. I patiently wait whether he will call. She not call. I personally call her. She dey busy my call. See, power pass power. You understand me so? And I go warn you. And I go leave you. Based on the friendship we'll get in the past. I will give you warning. Don't push. I had any major doable. Any me pishome. I had a liver. You go burst fire. You can think I'm joking. But don't do it. And don't push fire again. Don't push. As you not walk. That yesterday, the way your sister be one confirm whether he walk. As you not walk. Better quit, my sister. Or else. Or else. No push. He can feel bad. But if you push the second time again, that time, I will conquer us. This was why I do it last night here. I return her back to you. I don't do anything harm. I feel tell her I'm not the harm person. But I dey protect myself. You understand? Wait till you throw come. I return her back to una. But don't push far. If you push again, I'll conquer or got bata for you. Don't push far, my friend. Tamame ni tamawe. No. So that tomorrow, if we choose to, I take gear my bay. Don't push. Don't push. I know they beg you, say make you not push, but I they warn you not try again. As you can see, I'm okay. Is now let this mark. Now let this mark. I'll snap and sound. See the mark here if you not sound. Now let this mark. If you not sound, not be new mark, 7 and 6 day for day. You sound. So the thing is clear. You understand? Don't push. It's a warning. And tell your sister, say, he get luck. Your sister get luck. I did a good moon. If you try her again, you could not push. Tama many time away. If you get my secret, bring it out. Because when me they talk your own, nobody beg me. If you have my own, come on, bring it out. And before you do anything stupid, look yourself. They hallway, door pure. Before you hurt somebody, or before you hit somebody, first look your own self, look your heart, whether you pure. If you not pure, you not fit hurt somebody. You understand? Or not carry a boy down, or we don't hurt somebody. Person we don't hurt person. If you don't fit do all these things, no matter how you go take my name go, you not go walk. I don't want you. Not push again. If you push again, you will see my reaction. The one where I do yesterday night, where I post this morning, not to return what you want plan for night. I return them back. I don't know what you want plan, but I return them back to you now. According to your sister, it's on a day group. I don't know which kind of group. Whether na winchi, whether na gang up, I don't know. But all I know, Mukuna not push. If your sister heart's pure, as I call her this morning, why not pick? Or now you supposed to even call me, but now me can't call her. You say you go call me back, you can't run. My guy, don't mess with me. Don't play. Don't push. Tamame ni tamawe. If your mouth pass my own, now you win. If my own pass your own, now me win. If you get my secret, bust and come out. But I have a lot about you. Which I don't already they breathe, they come out. You understand? I also make I quit. My husband say, I don't answer you. But if you say you want to use her in a spiritual way, I feel tell you that they say, you for me, my ready. Now, I don't come tell you say I don't ready. But if you try to push again, you will see my return. Stop. Many people, but based on power, they pass power. Now they follow you. You know, say I gallant for ground. You know, if I be friend, and you know, you see they talk to my face. So my sister, why you try the nonsense where you try? When you know me too well, why you look me for my face again, pour me spit again? Or the person will do it for now. You see, they learn. They learn. They learn. Tell her say, Messi go lemon. Not the be Yahweh. Since God not give us a gift. Since God not give us a gift now to destroy. Tell us me go lemon. Again me go lemon. Can you bring me down? Ebo, egbebo, na parable. You understand? Ebo, egbebo, na parable. If my mama will born me, my own mama, I suck her breast. Now he born me with ipekus. He tried to bring me down. At the end of the day, God can't do it. I can't go land myself for house arrest. Here we not big or boom na celebration. Not be house arrest, man. They send me. But we must go for it. You understand? You must go for it. You people can never understand this spiritual high. People will get spiritual high. They can understand me better. You understand me? So if all these people, before my own mama, for so many years, my mama called me again. It's that last year. They asked me, his daughter, say, Now she want ask me one thing. Now true say you treat the house arrest. My own biological mother no believe say the house arrest. Wait that one tell you. And now he puts me. And not be this place they be need me before. They need me for 6 feet. If they not come fit, they can't go loud myself for house arrest. And inside that house arrest, not be only you want to come. They don't come physical and spiritual. They don't come. I don't even key hole for my house. Niche bed, I don't clean for my house. Inside my kitchen here. You understand? You still the learn. If they not fit, if the obedient mighty by me. Now you, Kirewo, not push again. I forgive you. I forgive you. But don't try again. If you push again, now you and the now we'll see each other. No push. It's shocking say I know something that your sister call. Not try again. If your sister heart clean, why they busy my call? If your heart clean, this morning supposed to call me back this morning. Why he not call? Why he not call? I see the caller. He dey busy my call. So he want confirm. Person will never call me before. I don't know him before. So he want look whether the tea work. He want test am. You see, this one are your Lex brother. We wanna go bury for Nigeria. You see, I fetch you out clean. Clean. The dream is clear to me now. The hard glass where I put for eye. Because I don't know how the teeth come better. It give me the hard glass. Because I see this hard glass, the white. I put that for face. Now I the teeth, the white. So I see clean. I got the look on. So as I remove and finish, I give him. For he said that dream. Now it is clear. I can't see people. Very, very clear. Clean. This is clean job. That hard glass for that dream made a lot of things. Clean, clear. This picture was 2 years we go bury his brother for Nigeria. Yeah, we go bury his brother for Nigeria. But now his sister, now call me. But now he profile now the person with me I get Mataso go don't fair user 2 years ago before he bury 2 years ago. He did platform where he go Nigeria still day later I call we don't pay. If I can fetch you people out, it's me say I don't prepare with you now. But don't push again. Don't push. If your heart clear, if you go do what you want to do, you understand? If you still push again, if your heart, look your heart first. That's why I sing that song for you. Look your heart, whether your heart pure. You never hurt someone. Look at whether you never harm someone. If your heart is very, very pure. Say you never carry person things go Nigeria to go do something, or you never harm somebody, you never carry person or juju or your ex whatever. You never carry and go do anything. If your heart pure, you are free to do anything to me. But if your hand not pure, don't push. Not push. It's a advice. Now who do spiritual attack? Now person with their hand clean, their hand pure, they never harm somebody. You understand? Person like you, what you do for night? If your hand clean, that's your for work. But you want call hot person, where your hand clean, they innocent. Now to just come and do my tibugo for social media, time my house, I not send your papa. All this why they do for social media now. What if family don't do me? It can't make me get stronger hearts. I not be bad person. But sometimes you need to be bad. Don't just to be nice. Not your day nice. Now my niceness, pittiness. Now day we are day today. But sometimes you need to say no for your life. I'm a nice person. If you can know. But what if family do me? Make me come get strong hearts. If papa and mama if you get strong hearts, say to pikin something, then what do they think in return for that pikin? May get motherly love or may get fatherly love. And I want to ask, if mother and papa fit do this kind of thing to a pikin, what did they expect for stranger? So therefore, my heart can be strong. If I not gonna look, I not get mercy, but I never take person name go juju, take go do bad. Rather, as our city strong rich, I use and protect myself. The big young by me. Now every year they do, I know the measure person name. Egbije moja, egbera moja, ekenika biaji noa, ekena wondo noa, ewe bonije noa, osinole gewa noa, upiano uhuono. No popo meno iriye niwe ekenoma keke. Nantie, I know the measure person name. It's a prayer every year. Every year to protect you. You need to thank your ass. Sometimes you need to just see they give food to your ancestors, they pray to your ancestors. You understand? That is me for you. I never hurt. I never take person go out any juju. That's why she say, I know the queen meets me. If anybody throw arrow. You understand? Now I understand the rich men. When they get money, they'll see they go through ritual courts to protect their money when they are rich. Because enemy full everywhere. You understand? So, my sister, is advice to you. Not come again and not try again. If you know, say your heart clean, you know what else someone, apart from me, you know what else someone, you know what carry person pikin name go anywhere. Anything where you do to me, it will work. But if you don't do, you want help, you want go innocent woman with plain heart, with a pure of gold. You say you want to go altar. My sister, anything you see, you take up. When your sister, make it not try it, wait till you try. Make it not try it again. Or else, if I come back with full force, what up back? And I will take more. You where they watch me, you where know me, you know me. Not push far. If you push far, and not be all these people where don't do, where don't hurt. And not be that all your S. Where you don't do. I am different. I am different. I not friend you. My husband not friend you. We get matter. If you feel beat me, you block me. My pikin, know we are the kind my pikin they go for school. You understand? You block me there. You know me better. You know we are the kind my pikin they go for school. Block me there. If you need that way, not come to ritual. Because to ritual own, if I come, you not go like him. You not go like him. It's better say we just see ourselves. If you beat me, I'll go sleep. If we wait for you join me, I'll use automatic pressure. It's better than spiritual way. In the spiritual way, I see gallant. You understand? A gallant. They don't try. Even when you know they don't try. Everybody don't try. Before you know they call me she don't go far for me. You understand? Not push again. No me baby. Stop. It's better you come to me. More your fight and face to face. Then my husband come depress my body for us. You understand? Well, this way ya mugo we for you go no say we ya we yagbo. As ye there bo where. Emma, we are in any go mena ni ya will give you away. All the cigagbo. You understand? All the cigagbo. That kind of thing we will give you away. You understand? And these people that where they do orphanage, where they cook for orphanage for Nigeria, I even donate 50,000. You understand? I can even the video, they say all the whole video for me, how they take cook, how they take go share, and not be person where they post. You understand? You for your breed that money, more your send that give them. They had done just something the ways and buy coke, buy mineral, buy drink. All you go see, you go taste, go steal money. All this bowl. No, I'm a bay. In what you go away for nothing. You understand? They just chop your money for nothing. You understand? You for just carry the money, give me. May I give this summa? We go Nigeria, go do this thing for orphanage home. Everybody donate. Everybody. You go and when the bomb say in a very near bene. So that money for your brother come. More you give them. Me they to go. They'll go pray for you. You go work for you. You go for your work for you. You understand? They send me all the videos. I don't want plan, but me your flash on for you. You understand? I wish you bring that money now. We give them now. You'll see the way children will take pray for you. They will pray for you, pray for you, pray for you. In fact, your life will never remain the same again. You understand? Your life will never remain the same. I only flash on like this. You see, that's how I know I reach. I know our plan finish. So you for your breed the money, you understand? Or for your give them, may they also buy Coke, buy Fanta, buy this thing. The children, if they go pray for you, if they come pray for you, finish. You'll see things go open for you. Carry that money, go give native daughter. Beg where problem day. Problem is wrong. You understand? So I love you, sir. I love you, sir. When I'm not try with you, I try again. Be warned. You yourself, you the fuck up where you know the capacity where I be. You go to waste some money. Why you go waste some money? Go collect the money for native doctor and give me my send and go give all this orphanage home. Yeah, they take buy something, just something give them. You say what they pray, what you want me happen to me, go walk. You go walk. All that book by you have a me we go the yepo. So nowhere we go. More, but anything we now do, I return our battle now. I say my baby. More. Now bye for now. I go make pandemic I eat. Look your heart whether you are happy. Before you harm somebody. Look your heart whether it's pure. before you hurt somebody. If you are not pure, not move any itch again, not move any attend again. It's a warning. Warning, not try again. If you try, you'll see the one way could come with full force. Yeah, the one way just do what I do yesterday. I just return with you and I bring come. I return my battle now. I'll try again. More, it's better me we just see for road war fight. It's even better than. You understand? Almost spiritual attack now. Hey, the boy Emmanuel. Oh, yeah, Emmanuel. You is and protect yourself. That's still your baby. You understand? In way baby. No ya ziba, no ya way me down. You understand? We are protected boy. We want way. When I see all of them, the people where they progress, now then they buy every year for us. Instead of you carry the money to go to protect yourself, why you wear small charm? Man on a who Waga no ya left away. I hope you are left away. I hope now we have a boogie no ma, this kind of thing, ma. Yato atata ko gbe mi no gba bi owa obere yato so kiriwo ma ohohun so that make na mi opia no riwe I ta wa webo ebo ya jevu abi ya na wa debo na ya wa jevu so for no ya muria no ya tie ni wa we no ya we ropa what you just talk for social media get we ye ba ni mamu ye ho but well, when you can't pass beyond myself or job for you. I want you. And I'll be Papa with the smile. I'm an old him. And that's how you be woman. Change. Our web. I me wa web toge. Astina. Ya can't be. Ya can't young be. You women not them with just saying if you will lose God. If you where you dory. Who do that and I lose. Understand? I take be men or segeme motobomeri uwa ni ya dole be meji. This is the second time I see the talker. I say, who are people where quiet come? Tell me, may I tell you? Almost a be popular. No, not the guess sense. I'm not saying the DJ got now or not the yeki. If you want to come back to friendship, I'm having a Yahweh, but you don't need to invite me for his side witchcraft, his side group. In my one or way. I'm having a way, no, but you sister will block me. Maybe I'll block you where I must not say you. My block me. I'm having a Yahweh. Can't popular problem me raw. I'm in a way, I'll see my very cool. You get was sitting doing. For there, settlement for there. Why go with Saga? You know, you offer the midi wrong person first before now the midi. Where did the go to Yahoo? That's the map of your phone. You're ratting your man. So now use the way did you go to enter? May you sit to enter. Not since I put your own here. The reason why they put down for here be say, may they see me and your name did you what's the man where did you go to radio? Because I don't want me the no. Imo ladra the bege ye. Imani aya ya bege ye. Do we how we need your Abebe Yahweh, at least you don't mature now. You don't mature. I will quite boning with Wuni, Emma, we just stop More, I will quite boning Wuni, Emma. Oh, him. Man, what do? And somebody don't know man way. If you knew where we're here, make a name your donoma. Because I know say your guy don't defend us. You better start to change your character. May lose mind. May not the rent. May not go. May not defend us again. Change your character. You understand? So, Emmanuel, stop it. Very, very bad of you, eh? If you hear what it devil, you hear the devil. You go no many Yahweh, na Yahweh, we your orphanage home, not Yari doebu. Begagbowe. My begagbowe, then, not Yari devil. Up battery you go near the orphanage, you will see the prayer with they will pray for your dog will open. Not Yari doebu. He was gabo, but even no my yaw. He are protected by me with the way we be basti. Even we be fi be bason. Even we be fi any be bason. At that me ma be day where brushing where you tori na. I will kwe bonu wa. Igoni. Yeah, we me am boy no rie gume ni rie na we have your funny journey aya da labe cookie. De le mi ya ni we ni be leru nu e bai. Bege we leru nu e bai. I got bona by my brother. Egana ya webo down. Egana ya webo down. Where we need boy. Igo no ya we mi agbon. We are there boy. We would where bosseme. Where do I bosseme? O no yi when you ma je do bone. Agbori mai. Igo aga go ojo debo. Igo aga boy. Igo azaga boy. Ave yamiya no we down. Igo azaga obiya. Emma no agiya ro awe fiabe na you need to change. No swen. Egbe na kaso. Egbe na swen ka weji. Agba we na be sitting na. Yes that one magiya mwesu awo. Understand what sienwa. Otama we akowe wia. Memoir but when we more but not na maswe but any atabi ke we ni I will if you say my estimation ni you I will measure ni ya no ga atalabi ibe me ibe tamawa we ya nenya o fi video me o fi ania we ge na say hi on de o amuya ni abi aga ka ni a block me bode understand ni a block me bode I see they tell you every time they tell you I not dey fear anybody. You know if you tell me something, you can't tell me say make I not tell person. That means as you say make I not tell person, what okay? You know me better. Moe suwao. Na mi do kane moe suwa moe bod tamu wena. You supposed to give me that. You supposed to thank me. But you not have vehicle way. Inyari and we here. We may know when you eat tama, we may know when you eat talabet. Who were surprised for the first time now. I never know you were for the year. I said the same one woman they go Nigeria, they carry Nigeria people pets. They go Nigeria. I never know you better. They hear the rumors. The time I got to know say na you. I not still let you know. I will better call the sister. Already we don't be friend. But as I come know say na you. I see they play with you, but now wisdom. I let you know what you hear. Before you can use your mouth, talk and can't tell me. Now talk na every jail. We can't tell me say that they tell me talk, that they put life for your head. Say yana bawo we ruga mwe e pete mo aje Nigeria. You still tell me. As you can't talk and we mwe simao. Nadia for come look if you see the way I looking for your road that day, I sit down for kitchen for share. I know my friend, don't I know. But I don't want to put on to you. Since that very day we can't talk with your massive, but they accuse you. Woman wear tabawe. If you know say your heart clean. If you go do any juju you want to do. But if you are not clean, not try, not move an inch again. Nemi dan dekunwe. Nemi dan ne dekunwe. You better be warned. You just there boy your money waria. But do we fiwirie ohohi. Webo no ya we ama Nous aimons rien avec B. Nous allons pas push well area your destiny et pas nous c'est where for you. Nous c'est faux. Life contract in our member there now. Oh, what ya me e pare. A document in ya pride with the na.